Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya, and in today's video I'll be explaining you how to create or have another WhatsApp using the number from TextNow app or any eSIM. So for now I'll show you. This is my TextNow account, and this is my number over here, 20754400039. This is my number which I received from the TextNow app. So I have cloned my WhatsApp and I have my WhatsApp over here. Okay, so guys, the main thing is that if you are unable to sign up in the TextNow app, I have made another video which will explain you how to sign up or how to rectify all the errors which occur in the TextNow app, such as TextNow app is unavailable in your country, etc. So you could just I'll leave the video's link in the description, so you can just go and check out the description. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and move on the video. Oh, before that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also press the bell button near the subscribe button, so you can just receive all the notifications from my videos. Okay, and if you want more technical videos, I leave 2 or 3 more technical uh, videos like how to create unlimited Gmail accounts, etc. The links will be in the description. You can just go and check it out. So come on guys, let's now move on to the video. First of all, we must create a mobile number. We must choose a mobile number from TextNow app. If you want to know the tutorial on how to do it, you could just go and check out my previous video. The previous video link will be in my description, and also I'll try to leave an info card over here. The next thing what you have to do is that you must copy this number 20754400039, and you must go to your WhatsApp and click on sign up. This is the way you must paste your number. Then you must click on next. After clicking next, you'll be prompted with this page. In this page you have to click OK, and here you receive a notification over here. You would receive a notification over here. So folks, I got this error, and right now if you folks also try, you may also have a bit 60% of chance, I guess, for you guys getting this error. And if you guys get this error, I'll teach you steps how I recovered and rectify this error. What you must do is that if you get this kind of error that we couldn't send you a SMS to your number, please check your number and try again in one. Now what you must do is that you must connect to a premium VPN, high quality VPN, and you must connect to either Canada or USA. So there are a lot of VPNs out there, but only 20% of it gets over the proxy check. So there are a few high quality premium free VPNs, and I have already uploaded a video stating which VPNs are good for TextNow app. So the same VPNs could be used for WhatsApp too, and if you folks haven't watched that video, I have left the video's link in the description, and you may go watch it. Right now the problem which causes the error is that this number is banned in WhatsApp. So what you must do is that you must exchange or change your number. There are actually 2 steps with which you could just change your number, but right now I'll not explain this the steps in this video. I'll try to upload another separate video stating how to change the number, etc. And like I told before, I have another video stating how to rectify the sign up error in the TextNow mobile application. So you just go check it out too. I have given few hints in order to change number, in order how to change number in that video. The next step which you have to do is that after changing the number, what you must do is that you must once again go to the WhatsApp, and then you must change your number by clicking the wrong number over here, and then you must enter your new number over here. So after entering the number, I'll show you what happens. After you guys entering your number, you guys just have to go through the same process once again. That is the same WhatsApp signing up process. And after signing up the process, like you could see in this image, I have successfully created an account. You could just look at my number here. I have changed my number. So this is the main issue, guys. You may have to right now try 2 or 3 times, I guess, in order to change your number. You must try 2 to 3 times changing a number, because TextNow is kind of famous app, so most people use it for spamming, and a lot of numbers in the TextNow app uh, are kind of spam numbers. So what you must do is that if the error comes, there's also another solution. You must try requesting OTP through a call. You'll not be, if you are unable to receive calls, you could just they will just in the US place, they will just leave you with the voicemail. So in the voicemail you will have your OTP over there. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It will be great if you guys could just click on the sign up button, the thumbs up button, and the bell button near the subscribe button. So once again, thanks for watching. Bye.